Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add an event to Ticketswap. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Ticketswap account, which of course I have done right here. And then the next thing is, how can you create an account on Ticketswap? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type ticketswap.com, and once you do that, it's going to take you to the official website for Ticketswap. Once you get in there, follow through the on-screen instructions to create your account, and after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Ticketswap. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into the specs, and that is how to add an event to Ticketswap. So I'm going to open a new tab for my PC, and from the search bar, I'm going to type in ticketswap.com/event/add. Punch the enter button and that takes you here. So add a new event. So add your official name, find the official name inside your ticket or on the Facebook event page. Then the venue for the event, of course, select a country instead if you don't have a specific venue. Add a date in here, the day, the month, the year, and add a time. Then link to Facebook event page, which is optional. But this actually helps potential buyers verify whether this is the event you're looking for. So once you're done, go ahead and click on continue, and it takes you right into the next window. So let's go over the official name for this event. Disney for Disney for adults. Enter the venue. Select a country instead. Let's say Nigeria, and the date, I'm just going to leave that day out. I'm going to leave the time, and I'm going to click on continue. Select a date that's in the future. It's what already. So let's say 6th June. And that's the time, so this is optional. Go ahead and click on continue. And it takes you here. Disney for adults. So I can go ahead and add a ticket. So the ticket's available right now. Info, Disney for adults, tickets and Ticketswap. Okay, that's out. But then this is Disney for adults, an event that I have successfully added. So that's pretty much how to add an event to Ticketswap. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.